ERD repairs series power supplies like this one made by Lambda, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. This LAMBDA EWS600 series is a general-purpose 24-volt at 27-amp DC power supply. The unit is load-tested to 24 amps. EWS600 is a 600-watt modular power supply series. Here you see the LAMBDA Series Power Supply being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.